Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today I'm going to show you how to use a Nespresso Vertuo machine to make kind of like a bulletproof coffee type of drink without using a blender. So the first thing you need to do is just prepare a mug, plug in your machine, get some grass-fed unsalted butter, put as much as desired. I only put a tablespoon. Put some coconut oil or MCTs, and then you need to melt it. So you can use a stovetop or a microwave or whatever you want. But it's important to melt it so that it doesn't cool your coffee, because the Nespresso machine is not that hot to start with. So then you put the pod of your choice. I use the 7.7 ounce pods, and then I turn it on. So what's cool is that it comes out frothed already, so you don't really have to blend it or clean anything extra. So just by turning on the machine with melted butter, you get kind of a bulletproof coffee type of drink. So that's all you have to do, just keep stirring throughout the process, and then by the time it's done, it should be nice and foamy and taste really good. So hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.